Hi, it's Jack from the Vex Forums here. Today we're going to show you how to make a kinda sorta dark theme in Vex Coding Studio and also make some other changes that are needed. So this is the current layout of my coding studio. First of all, I've changed the name and logo up here to 574D Coding Studio. And here's the background for this. So unfortunately, unless I want to decompile on an exe, I can't change this. I can't make this darker, so it has to be white. But the rest of it, you can change. And you can also change these pictures if you want to. I don't know why you would, but memes, I guess. So what you're going to have to do to start is you're going to open up the program files for Vex Coding Studio. So it should be in Program Files, Vex Robotics, Vex Coding Studio. So the first thing you'll notice is the VCS logo you can change. So for example, I don't want this anymore. I want Papa Stalin to be the picture for my Vex Coding Studio. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to close out of Vex Coding Studio. I'm going to delete the VCS file, and I'm going to replace it with a 256 by 256 copy that is a picture of Stalin. So when I start up Vex Coding Studio, as you can see, Stalin is the image here at the top. So that's important. Yes. Okay. So another thing you want to do. So let's say you want to change the title, like I've changed it. So you can come in here and you see this vcs.html file. You need to drag that into another folder because it's not going to let you change it directly in the program files. So you're going to open this with WordPad. And right up here at the top it says 574D Coding Studio. So you can change this to anything you want. So let's change this to the USSR Coding Studio. So that's good. But I'm not going to save that just yet, because I want to show you this. So what you can do here is you can choose a color you want to change all the other things to. So let's say I want to change everything to red for whatever monstrous reason. So I copy these, right? And I'd come over here and I'd search a hashtag FFFFFF, and you're paying a lot of respects. That's 6 respects. And in here, there's probably not a lot. Yeah, you can see there is. But you're going to go to replace, and you're going to replace everything with whatever that color code is. And you can find that color code converter in Google. So I'm going to replace all with red. It's left as... Okay, so it's finished. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. And then I'm going to delete the one from the actual program files. While it's closed, I'm going to drag this one in. Now I'm going to open up Vex Coding Studio. See, it's now USSR Coding Studio and has a picture of Stalin. And let's see if I can find any red changes. Aha! Now it's red settings, action sensing, and all the highlight is red. So it'll change more drastically if you, for example, didn't change everything to different grays already. But, you know, you can change that. You could make it red for communism, I guess. So one other thing you're going to want to change to actually get a kind of dark theme. You're going to go into Assets, Images, Raw, Vex, EDR, and here. You can change all of these to your heart's content. You can make this the picture of Cortex. You could do that. There's nothing wrong. You could make it the old Cortex. You could make this a bunch of memes that you just select. It's great. So we're going to go into here. Going to go into, well, that next one you can go into is UI, backgrounds, and you see I already did this. I opened all of these in GIMP and then inverted their colors. So now instead of these being white on gray, it's a gray on white. Or the other way, or it doesn't matter. Not important. So I will put these in the description if you want to do that. So I will be back in just a second after I fully customize the studio and let you guys know how it went. Hello, it is Jack back with 574D. I will show you what I have done so far. So we have named USSR Coding Studio and put Papa Stalin as picture. Loading screen, of course, USSR. Beautiful. So once the program loads in, as you can see, the brain has been replaced with the Kremlin, and the motors are the hard-working people of the Soviet Union.